Here's exactly how you should prepare for your new iPhone, whether you're coming from an old iPhone or Android. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And it is new iPhone season right now. But whether you're getting ready for an iPhone 13, whether you picked up a discounted iPhone 12, or maybe you're just getting a hand-me-down iPhone, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to get ready for your new device. And that's whether you're coming from an existing iPhone or maybe you're coming from an Android device. I'm going to walk you through both scenarios. Here is exactly what you need to do. Starting off with Android phones. If you have an Android phone and you're finally making the very smart decision to move to iOS, it's pretty easy to do. What you're going to need to do is open the Play Store. And in the Play Store, you're going to search for Move to iOS. Apple created this app to make it simple for Android users to migrate from their existing devices to a new iPhone. It'll transfer pretty much most of your important data, your contacts, calendars, phone numbers, everything like that, from your Android device to your new iPhone over secure Wi-Fi connection. It's easy to do, and it'll help you move everything over. So if you're coming from an Android device, download Move to iOS, and that will take care of everything that you need to do. So what about if you're coming from an iPhone? There are two big steps that you should do in preparation for your new device, whether it is an iPhone 13 or maybe a different iPhone. Regardless, these are the two things that I tell everybody to do before their new phone arrives. If you're anything like me, one of the very first things you should do as you prepare for your new iPhone is cull your apps. I have a lot of apps on my phone, and these can be taking up a ton of space. If you're not using the apps any longer, it just makes your phone more bloaty and just takes up storage that you don't need to be wasting. So before your new phone comes, head into Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. It'll break down all of your apps by how much storage space they take up. I can see higher ones here at the top and the smaller ones at the bottom. As I go through, I can look for games or apps that I don't really use any longer, like Patty Pursuit from SpongeBob was last played more than a year ago. So I can go ahead and delete that off my phone and save almost 2 gigs of data. When you have not enough storage on your phone, this can be a great way to free up storage space, but it also makes transferring to a new device even faster because you don't have to wait for all these apps to re-download and their data to move over. So if you haven't already, go through your apps and delete all those ones that you don't really use anymore. The next thing you should do is make sure you've got an up-to-date backup. To do so again, we're going to head back into Settings and tap on our Apple ID at the top because we're going to use iCloud to back up our phone. I have a 2 terabyte plan, so there's plenty of space here for me to do my iCloud backups. Can back up over Wi-Fi as well as cellular in my case because I have an unlimited plan. It's going to go ahead and run a backup. What's nice about doing this now, before you have your new phone, is when you have your new device in hand, it'll do a backup right before transferring over, but because you did a backup ahead of time, it'll be much faster in doing that time of backup. It'll be very quick, back up anything that's happened since your last backup, and then move everything to your new phone. So this can definitely take some time and save some time when you're setting up your new device. If you haven't already, back up, whether it's to iCloud or to your Mac or PC. Just do it well in advance of that new phone arriving. So that's it. That's what you need to do, regardless if you're coming from Android or iOS. That is the steps that you should take in preparation for your new iPhone. I'm so excited that you're getting a new iPhone. Let me know which phone you happen to be getting. New iPhone 13, new iPhone 12, maybe something older. Doesn't matter. I'm excited for you. Regardless, let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and good luck with your setup.